Are you stuck in your 9-to-5 job and regular daily routine? Do you want to follow your passion and build a passive income out of it? Success Resource Ventures is here to help you achieve your dreams and the success you've always wanted. We're going to show you how to achieve financial freedom and live your desired lifestyle using our proven system. Learn how to invest, create virtual assets, and become financially free in just 18 months. I was born and raised in a lower middle-class family in India, had no financial support, and yet became a successful investor, mentor, author, and international speaker. I'm going to share with you the exact system that helped me grow my income 20 times. Join one of our free online web class training using the link below. Let us help you achieve success in the right ways. Contact us today. info@successresourcesventures.com. Visit successresourcesventures.com.